Here we will do a search for Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Maybe we're doing a biography project. Here's the search. Looking for an article. Here we go. We found one. Okay, we'll do a quick skim and see what we can find. Looking through, we begin to scroll through. And we'll keep scrolling to the bottom of the page because we want to locate the citation. We think this is good information for our project, and we want to include it in our sources. Scroll all the way to the bottom where you'll find the citation. We have our NoodleTools tab open. Click back, click on Cite in NoodleTools, and we'll begin to export. Once you have that open, we'll double check, make sure we're putting it into the right project. Click Import References. It'll say one reference successfully exported to my English project. Go to your NoodleTools tab, click Sources again, it'll refresh the page. And your citation should appear momentarily. And there it is. We have our successfully exported from FactCite into our NoodleTools project. You can close out the tab and keep working, finding your next source. Okay, so here we are at the 9 through 12 online resources with our NoodleTools tab also open. We're going to be using GALE. Reminder that you need the password Empire Link when accessing GALE novel databases from home. All one word, all lowercase. This brings us to the GALE homepage, and we'll scroll through and decide what database we're going. For this example, we'll choose opposing viewpoints. A lot of good research. Students like to use this one for a lot of different research projects. And for our search, we'll continue with Franklin Delano Roosevelt, but maybe we'll search for the New Deal. Not the Green New Deal, but the New Deal. Here's our results. So here our results appear, and we'll look through and maybe we want a reference source on the New Deal. This one looks pretty good. It's an event overview, and I think this will work for our research. So here's the article itself. We'll do a quick scroll and see what we can find. This looks good. It's the New Deal. It has stuff on President Franklin Delano Roosevelt. And if we look to the bottom of the page, we see our source citation right down here. It can also be found at the top if you click the Cite button with those quotes right there, but we'll scroll down and use the bottom of the page. So we'll look for MLA 8th edition. That's the style we want to use. There's our citation. Click Select, and then we'll begin to export it to NoodleTools. After clicking that, it'll take us to the import page. We'll double check the reference up at the top. Looks good. Put it into the correct project, My English project, and we will import references. One successfully exported reference to My English project. We can close out that tab. And then we can go back to our NoodleTools Sources tab here. Click on Sources to refresh. And you should see that reference, that source, back in your Sources tab right there. Another citation done. And we're all set with that, and you can continue on finding more sources for your project.